Best circular saws. Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita 5377 Magnesium Hypoid Saw. Take your woodworking and construction projects to the next level with the Makita 5377 mg worm drive circular saw. Powered by a 15-amp motor and spinning at 4,500 revolutions per minute, this corded saw delivers unstoppable cutting power, easily slicing through heavy, pressure-treated lumber and thick plywood with precision. Its 7¼ inch, 24-tooth blade ensures clean, accurate cuts every time, making it perfect for both professional contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts. Despite its rugged worm drive design, the 5,377 mg is surprisingly lightweight at just 13.2 pounds, thanks to its magnesium construction. The motor housing and components are crafted from magnesium, reducing hand and arm fatigue during extended use while maintaining superior durability. The motor is factory sealed with oil, and a built-in fan continually lubricates the gears, eliminating the maintenance hassle common with traditional worm drive saws and extending the lifespan of the tool. Designed with user comfort and precision in mind, the Makita 5377 mg provides excellent blade visibility and ample space around the handle and trigger for smooth, controlled operation. Whether you're cutting sanded plywood, demoing a subfloor, or making trench cuts, this saw handles it all effortlessly. Its corded design ensures consistent power with no mid-cut surprises, giving you reliable performance every time. Engineered for durability, efficiency, and precision, the Makita 5377 mg is a powerhouse circular saw that combines the strength of a worm-drive motor with lightweight, ergonomic design. Upgrade your toolkit with a saw built to deliver professional results on every job. Number 2. Skil 15-amp corded circular saw. The Skil 5280-2001 circular saw combines affordability, precision, and reliable power, making it a standout choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional builders alike. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor spinning at 5,300 revolutions per minute, this saw effortlessly cuts through wood, plywood, and framing lumber, delivering smooth and accurate results every time. Its 7¼ inch, 24-tooth blade is perfect for framing and general-purpose cutting, giving you clean edges and consistent performance on every project. Weighing only 8.8 pounds, the Skil 5280-2001 is remarkably lightweight for a corded circular saw, reducing fatigue during extended use. The ergonomically designed handle and comfortable grip make maneuvering the saw easy, while the adjustable cut depth allows for precise control over each cut. The shoe is perfectly aligned parallel to the blade, ensuring straight and accurate cuts across a variety of materials. This model also includes thoughtful features that enhance safety and usability. A bright power indicator light lets you know instantly when the saw is on, adding an extra layer of awareness during operation. Despite its compact size, the torque from the 15-amp motor is impressive, powering through even fully submerged cuts with minimal resistance. Durable, easy to handle, and highly accurate, the Skil 5280-2001 circular saw is ideal for framing, rip cuts, crosscuts, and general woodworking tasks. Whether you're building, renovating, or tackling DIY projects, this saw provides reliable performance at an accessible price point, delivering professional quality results every time. Number 3. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. The Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB14 circular saw sets a new standard for cordless cutting, combining power, precision, and convenience in one lightweight package. Powered by an 18V battery and spinning at 5,000 revolutions per minute, this saw effortlessly handles framing, plywood, and construction lumber, giving clean, accurate cuts every time. Its 7¼ inch, 24-tooth blade provides versatility for both rip cuts and crosscuts, making it ideal for professional builders and serious DIY enthusiasts. Weighing just 11.6 pounds, 9.5 pounds for the saw and 2.14 pounds for the battery, the Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB14 is nimble and easy to maneuver. Its aluminum accessory track system allows you to achieve table saw level precision without special mounting hardware. Simply lay the track on the material and slide the saw along it for perfectly straight cuts every time. Depth control is effortless thanks to a convenient thumb latch above the trigger. Adjust the shoe by pressing the latch, fine-tuning with one hand, and release when the shoe is in the desired position. The blade exposure is easy to set for accurate, controlled cuts. The saw also features an eco mode to conserve battery life during lighter cuts, 6-speed settings to handle everything from thin plywood to heavy lumber, and a battery life indicator to keep you informed on remaining charge. With durable construction, intuitive controls, and cordless freedom, the Bosch GKS18V25 GCB14 circular saw delivers professional-grade performance in a lightweight, easy-to-use package. Perfect for framing, cabinetry, and general construction tasks, it offers the precision and reliability you need to get the job done right every time. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Circular Saw. The DEWALT DCS590 cordless circular saw redefines what a portable cutting tool can do. Engineered for professionals and serious DIYers, this saw operates on either a standard 20V max battery or the dual-voltage 20/60V FlexVolt system, batteries sold separately, delivering unmatched power and versatility. With a 7¼ 24-tooth framing blade spinning at 5,500 revolutions per minute, it glides effortlessly through 2x4s, plywood, and construction lumber with smooth, accurate cuts every time. Weighing just 8.2 pounds plus battery, the DCS590 is nimble yet packed with performance. Its ergonomic handle positions and rubberized grip make long cutting sessions comfortable, while the electronic blade brake ensures safety by stopping the blade within seconds after releasing the trigger. Depth adjustments are simple and precise, giving you complete control for ripping, cross-cutting, or angled cuts. The saw's compatibility with the high-capacity FlexVolt battery makes extended cutting tasks worry-free. In our tests, it powered through numerous thick cuts without slowing down, proving that cordless doesn't mean compromising on strength. Whether you're on a job site or tackling a major DIY project, this DEWALT delivers professional-grade results with cordless convenience. Built for durability, precision, and power, the DEWALT DCS590 cordless circular saw is an essential addition to any toolbox. Its smooth operation, extended battery options, and cutting accuracy make it perfect for framing, decking, subflooring, and general construction work. Go cordless without sacrificing performance. This is the saw that gets the job done right every time. Number 5. Makita 5007mg Circular Saw. The Makita 5007mg circular saw is a powerhouse tool designed for both professional contractors and serious DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with a 15-amp motor spinning at 5,800 revolutions per minute, it cuts through lumber, plywood, and framing materials with ease, making it ideal for heavy-duty construction tasks. Its 7¼ 24-tooth blade ensures smooth, precise cuts for rip cuts, crosscuts, and angled cuts. Built with a lightweight magnesium body, the 5007mg reduces fatigue during extended use while maintaining exceptional durability. Weighing only 10.6 pounds, this saw is easy to handle without sacrificing strength or performance. Two onboard LED lights improve visibility, ensuring your cut lines remain clear even in dimly lit workspaces. Additionally, the duct dust blower keeps the cutting line free from debris, allowing for precise, accurate cuts every time. Being corded, the Makita 5007mg provides consistent power without interruptions, making it ideal for long projects where battery life could be a concern. While it may trade some portability for continuous power, the trade-off is worth it for the reliability and performance it delivers. Durable, precise, and easy to use, the Makita 5007mg circular saw is an excellent addition to any workshop. Whether cutting pressure-treated lumber, framing boards, or plywood, it combines professional-grade performance with comfort and control. Invest in a saw that delivers accurate cuts, long-lasting durability, and consistent power for years of dependable use.